Hi guys, this is Leonard and welcome to LMS Vlog. And for today's episode, tayo ay magluluto ng isang ultimate favorite nating vegetable dish, ang chop suey. At para sa mga sangkap, kailangan natin ang mga sumusunod: ang bawang, ang sibuyas, ang chicken liver at gizzard, mantika, seasoning, oyster sauce, at para sa mga gulay, patatas, corn kernel, sweet peas, ang carrots, cauliflower, sayote, beans, bok choy, ang repolyo, at ang paminta. Tara't samahan niyo akong iluto ang chop suey. Buksan ang apoy, isa lang ang traditional wok ng mga Pilipino, ang talyasi. Maglagay ng tubig, maglagay ng konting salt, pakuluan ng tubig dahil iba-blanch muna natin isa-isa ang mga gulay para sa ating chop suey. On the other side, meron din tayong naka-ready ditong cold water in a basin with strainer. Dito natin isa-shock yung mga vegetable to stop the cooking process. The reason why we're blanching is 1, to remove the surface dirt or the unwanted microorganisms. 2, to retain the texture of the vegetable. 3, for aesthetic purposes, because it will really brighten the color of our vegetables. And lastly, to slow down the loss of the vitamins. So kung mapapansin nyo, nagsimula tayo from the vegetable which has the lightest color down to the darkest. So from white to green para ma-retain yung color ng ating mga vegetables, para vibrant pa rin yung color nila from each other. So we're down from our last vegetable, which is the cabbage. And after this, ipa-blanch din natin yung ating chicken gizzard and liver para mahugasan, maging malinis yung ating chicken liver and gizzard, and at the same time, para hindi maging malansa yung ating chop suey. And after this, ready na tayong igisa yung ating chop suey. So we're using the same talyasi or wok for the recipe. Isa lang natin siya and then maglagay na tayo ng mantikang panggisa. And so when the oil is hot enough, maaari nating igisa ang sibuyas at ang ating bawang. Igisa ito ng maayos, pagkatapos ay maaari nating ilagay yung ating blanch na chicken liver and gizzard. Habang ginigisa, isisun din natin ito ng paminta. I-toast lang natin ng bahagya yung ating mga proteins hanggang sa medyo magmantika siya. Pagkatapos ay maaari nating ilagay yung ating unang vegetables, yung ating corn kernels. Just like mushrooms, gustong-gusto ko ding ginigisa yung corn kernels dahil as it sautés, nag-i-intensify yung kanyang corn flavor, which helps the dish para maging mas flavorful siya. Gisa lang natin to ng maayos, and as you would notice, nagkakaroon na ng fond yung bottom ng ating talyasi, and we need that. Okay? That is magic in making your chop suey. Now, since fully blanched na yung ating mga vegetables, madali na lang lutuin tong chop suey. So all we have to do now is build our sauce. Now I'm adding in yung ating oyster sauce. The oyster sauce would give that deep umami taste para sa ating recipe. We're also adding in our seasoning para sa ating chop suey, and we'll just let everything sizzle on the wok para mag-marry lahat ng flavors and ingredients sa ating recipe. After this, we can now add in our blanched vegetables. At bago natin ipagpatuloy ang ating pagluluto, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and drop a comment on this video. At this juncture, we can now add in all our blanched vegetables on our sauteed chicken liver and gizzard. So andito na yung ating blanched na broccoli, we have chayote, beans, sweet peas, sweet corn, carrots, and later on yung ating leafy vegetables. We just have to saute first our hard vegetables, Maglagay tayo ng tubig, konting-konti lang just to deglaze yung fond na dumikit sa ilalim ng ating pan. Now, isiso natin yung ating chop suey ng konting-konting salt lang, and then we'll bring our sabaw into boil and gently toss our vegetables on the sauce. So, mabilis na lang to, promise. Now, to thicken our sauce, we will be needing a little help of our slurry. So, this is just simply dissolved cornstarch in water. Then, toss lang natin para mag-coat yung sauce doon sa ating vegetables. And then, after this one, we can now add in our last two ingredients, ang ating last two leafy vegetables, ang blanched bok choy at ang cabbage. So, we'll just continue tossing our vegetables para maghalo-halo sila ng maayos, mag-mix sila ng maayos, and after a few minutes, we're good to go. Narito na ang ating ultimate favorite na vegetable ng mga Pinoy, maliban sa pinakbet, pak na pak din ang chop suey. Tara't i-plate na natin ang ating recipe. Narito na ang LMS Kitchen or LMS Vlogs version ng chop suey.
And if you do love this video, please do like and share and drop a comment. At kung bago ka sa channel natin ito, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe at hampasin ang notification bell para ikaw ay parating updated sa ating mga newly uploaded videos. Thank you guys for watching!